Good evening, everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Program. So today we are going to see fourth lecture on commutative subgroup. So let's start today's session now. Today we are going to see a very important result. So let G be a group and dash be its commutator subgroup. Okay. If N is normal subgroup of G, then G quotient N is abelian. If and only if and only the commutator subgroup of G contained in N. Okay, it means G dash is subset of N. So this is actually, you can say, theorem. Okay? This is theorem. We are going to prove it. Okay. So first we assume that G dash is contained in N. First, assume that G dash is contained in N. We know that U dash is equal to A inverse B inverse such that B belongs to G, okay, contained in commutator. Okay, but commutator, so this implies, but commutator is contained in N. We know this much, but this much contained in N. What does it mean? It means A inverse B inverse belongs to N. For all AB belongs to G. So it means that N A inverse B inverse is actually N. Okay, liquid subgroup, and this element is, so its right coset will be equal to identity in quotient G upon N. So this is B A inverse. So this is A inverse. Okay, is equal to N. So this implies NAB is equal to NBA. But NAB, what does it mean? It is NA into NB. And NB is NB into N. For all AB belongs to. So what does it mean? It means that G upon N is commutative group. Okay. So if a group is commutative, then it is abelian group. So this implies G quotient is abelian group. Okay. So this is proof. One direction is proof. So conversely, assume that G quotient N is abelian. Then NA and B is equal to NB, NA for all AB belongs to G. Okay. So what does it mean? How we can write this? This left hand side is NAB and right hand side is NBA. For all AB belongs to this. And how can I write NAB BA inverse and for all AB belongs to G? So this implies NAB A inverse G inverse is equal to N. For all AB belongs to G. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? It means AB A inverse G inverse belongs to N. For all AB belongs to G. So this implies U is equal to AB A inverse B inverse AB belongs to G actually contained in. Okay. But G dash is generated by U. It means G dash is the smallest subgroup of G containing U. Therefore, because G dash is the smallest subgroup containing U and N is also a subgroup which contains U. What does it mean? It means therefore G dash is contained in U N. Okay. So this is true. Okay. So convert part is also true. So today's lecture of this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you.